All right, hello again. Today we're going to talk more about cash purchases specifically. So far, I believe we've talked about sales tax and putting kind of everything together in terms of how much something costs, how much sales tax is on that object, and then how much, the total price of the item, including the tax. Today, what we're going to do is begin to talk about coupons and rebates. Okay, instead of talking about more things that are charged or basically more money that you have to pay, we're going to talk about how to get a little bit of money off of some of these items. So, definition of coupon: a coupon is a discount offered by a business, usually in the form of a ticket, that are redeemed at the time of purchase. Coupon is something you carry with you into the store and you hand to the cashier at the point of purchase, and they will take some money off of your total purchase. A rebate is a little different. A rebate is a discount that's offered by a business in the form of money given back to the customer, usually through the mail. So you might find coupons and rebates together, but they work a little bit differently. Coupons will take money off the price, and this is typically how you see it. Coupons will take money off the price right at the point of purchase. With a rebate, what you actually have to do is you have to buy the product, and then when you get home, you have to mail the rebate back in, meaning you have to buy a stamp in an envelope to mail it back in, and they will send you money back. That's what a rebate is, okay? So a rebate takes a little bit more work. So what we're going to talk about today is how to find the final price of something if a coupon or rebate is used. Your final price is your total selling price minus any total savings. So first you calculate the total selling price. That does not mean calculate tax. Take off any savings, and then at the very end, compute any sales tax only after you have deducted all coupons and rebates. Okay, so the order is figure out the price of the items before tax and rebate, take the coupon and rebate price, take the coupons and rebates off of the price, then calculate your sales tax, then add the sales tax to the price so you can get the final price. So let's try this. Number one, Gus Seton purchased a heavy-duty nailer for $249 and a compressor for $349. He had a coupon for $50 off. What is the final price of the items? Well, the first thing we're going to do is figure out what the cost of the items is without the coupon. That would be $249 plus $349, $598. He had a coupon for $50 off. What's the final price of the items? If you get $50 off of something, that means the price is $50 lower than what we just calculated. So the final price of the items, and we're not counting sales tax here because we don't have any information about it, is $548. Okay, simple enough. That's what a coupon does. Coupons take money, take the price down. Okay, another pretty simple one. A frozen yogurt costs $2.49. You have a 75-cent off store coupon that you clipped out of your school newspaper. What is the final price of your frozen yogurt? Well, again, that would be pretty simple. The normal price, selling price is $2.49. You have a 75-cent off store coupon. That doesn't mean you subtract $75 from it. 75 cents, 0.75. Okay, so always be careful in case the coupon is just for cents off, because a lot of times coupons will be for products that are fairly cheap in the first place. It might be 50 cents off. Make sure you know the difference between cents and dollars. The final price of your yogurt should be $1.74, 75 cents minus the original price. And the last example for today, and then I'll talk a little bit about the homework specifically because there are some notes that you should be careful on. An ebook with a monochrome touchscreen can store up to 8 novels. It sells for $149. A manufacturer's rebate is available for $25. What is the final price after the 8% sales tax? So now we get to practice doing these things in order. It always goes take the selling price, subtract any coupons or rebates, then calculate the sales tax after you've subtracted off the coupons and rebates, then add the sales tax to the price that you had subtracted, the price after you take off the coupons and rebates. So here's what that looks like. Total selling price is $149. It's the only thing we're buying here. $149. And we have a manufacturer rebate for $25. So that means you have to actually send this rebate in to the company to get this money back. Okay? So in actuality, you pay $149 up front, they will send you $25 back. What you're really paying for this, and they're taking this into account, is $124. Now that's after the coupon, okay? Or the rebate, excuse me. Now, what we need to do is calculate the sales tax. 8% sales tax means that the state or whoever, maybe it's a local municipality, is charging an extra 8% on this purchase that goes to them. So we need to figure out what 8% of $124 is. The easiest way to do that is $124 times, we need to write 8%, but as a decimal, 0.08. Again, if you forget how to do that, take the 8%, just divide by 100, 0.08, times 124. The sales tax is $9.92. Now, what we're going to do is we need to add that sales tax. So I'll just write down what these things are. This is the selling price. This is the rebate. I guess I'll call this the sale price because it's the price that it's on sale for. Then we take the sale price, multiply by 0.08, we get the sales tax. And finally, we're going to add those together, the sales price and the sales tax, to get $133.92, which is the final price. This is the price that you actually end up paying in store. Okay? So, that's the basics on how to use coupons and rebates. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, but there can be some tricky situations. For instance, I'm just looking at your homework right now. The first two questions are very, very straightforward. Where this can get a little tricky is a question like number 3, where, first of all, we have to figure out, so let's see here. We're given a whole bunch of things this person purchases. One of the things we have to figure out, it says they buy 50 feet of telephone wire for 45 cents per foot. Think about how you would figure out how much that would cost in total. 50 feet, and it's 45 cents per foot. Then it says he receives a $5 rebate and a store coupon for $1 off each accessory. Notice the word each there, okay? So like a lot of the questions in this class, the math isn't the hard part. What's hard is actually figuring out, or not figuring out, but the hard part is reading the entire question and making sure you account for everything. Let's see here. A bunch of these questions from number 4 on, let's see, number 4 does this, 5, 6, and 7. They talk about mail-in rebates that you get for certain things. So number 4, again, we have someone purchasing a 22-pound turkey for $1.79 a pound. You're going to have to figure out what the total price of that turkey is, if it's $1.79 a pound and 22 pounds. And then it says there's a $1 mail-in rebate for the purchase of a turkey. Okay. What did it cost after the rebate if an envelope costs 15 cents and a stamp costs 39 cents? So notice, it's a $1 rebate, but you still have to pay for the stamp in the envelope. So that means your rebate's not going to be as much. So you need to take that into account on 4, 5, 6, and 7. And sometimes I think, I think for number 7, you have to read very carefully. There are 2 different rebates you're dealing with. So that means 2 stamps, 2 envelopes. The math is not the hard part. The hard part is reading and making sure that you're accounting for everything that's in the problem. If anyone has any questions on coupons and rebates, please feel free to ask. I am more than happy to help you with whatever questions you may have. I'm going to give you 2 days to do this, and then on Thursday we'll pick up with something, something related but a little bit new. Okay? Hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Hope I can see you guys in person soon, and have a nice day. Bye.